It's a brazen play. PJ Masks talking figure. I'm Gekko. Can you? Super Cat Jump. Super Cat Speed. I like Cowboy the best. They're ready for the save the day. Time to be hero. Rise and play. Hi, buddy. I'm Cowboy. Super Cat Speed. Super Cat Speed. Super Cat Jump. Okay. My cat tail. Got my logo.
Are you ready for a superhero super surprise?
Yay! It's exciting!
No peeking. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
It's PJ Masks! PJ Masks talking figure. Ella! Gekko! Yeah, boy! Wow, I love them!
It's time to be a hero. PJ Masks goes down the race, 'cause in the night we save the day.
Time to be hero. Wow.
Okay, so who do you want to open first?
Catboy!
Let's open Catboy.
Caddies.
It's time to be a hero.
Catboy is blue. He has stripes. He has a tail. Up, down, and over to the side.
PJ Masks goes
To
down
the right. And then the night we save the day. It's Ella. Lid is red. Kid is wiggly. He has wings in his mouth. Whoa.
Whoa.
And he shaped up.
She talks about her owl eyes.
Right there.
Wow. And who's next?
Gekko.
Is Gekko your favorite of all of the PJ Masks?
Yeah.
Oh! He uses Super Gekko muscle to get out of the box.
Gekko is green. Spikes.
Oh, he has spikes on his head. You're right.
Tail not moves. And he talks. Moving serpent. Ah! PJ Masks! Let's press these buttons. Wiggling reptile.
Slithering feathers?
And then circus.
Silly cat whiskers. Time to be a hero. Players. PJ Masks, I'll separate. Super Gekko muscle.
Super Gekko muscle! It's a PJ Masks talking figure. I like Catboy the best.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Meow.
PJ Masks, I'll separate.
And the legs can sit down. They all sit down. Everybody can sit. Wow, it can sit. Start the arms up. Okay. Oh,
What is it?
he has feet in his head. He slips in his Gekko muscles, and then he can slide out. Okay. See my Super Gekko muscles. They're ready for the save the day. First, a shoulder race. Then the night, we save the day. Whirling serpent. Super Gekko muscle. Chameleon. There's a shoulder race. And the night, we save the day.
Wow.
Now play my toy now. Then you can smile. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thank you, subscribe. What's up?